Hi guys, welcome back to DX Games and More. Today we are so excited. We are opening up the brand new booster box here of Temporal Forces. So this is a 36 pack booster and my son Xander and I are going to open this one up. So let's find out what we get inside. This one releases on March 22nd. So looks like Pokemon did a really weird thing with the packaging on this one. It's very loose. Almost feels like it's resealed. Obviously I got it direct from the distributor. It's not, but alright, let's get this bad boy open. Xander picked this one out of all the ones we got in, so we are hoping for some good luck.
I want that back.
You want that one to start?
Yeah.
Alright, you get that whole side then, I'll open up this whole side.
Ooh, okay.
Okay, so
I got a lot of this guy.
you got all, yeah.
All of them are.
So let's take a look at the different pack arts. We've got this one, and so those are the 4 different pack arts that are in this one here. Pretty awesome. All right.
Let's just get to opening.
Go ahead. You start.
Be very careful. This is my first time opening these.
Nobody's. Well, it's my first time opening these too. This is the brand new.
Yeah. What's the card trick?
It is 1.
One from the back. Got a lightning energy, shroomish, lickitung, sligma, solaros, magnetos, Pokemon tool, future booster energy capsule,
Nice.
great tusk. He's an ancient.
Ooh, that Sharpedo artwork is awesome.
Yeah. Eerie. Pretty cool.
And a Feraligatr hollow. Nice. Alright. Set your cards to the side there, bud.
Okay. Go with the code card.
Okay. Grubbin. Metachamp. Tranquil. Mr. Mime. Colossal. Perlus Jungle. Pheasant. Reverse Hollow Ponyta. And a Sandy Shocks. And a Whimsicott. So the reverse hollow on the Sandy Shocks is really cool. It almost tricked me for a second there. So the reverse hollows on these are pretty neat.
One from the back. And fire energy. Grublin. Frostmaw. Notacruel. Constra. Shifty. I want the artwork of this guy.
The illustration rare of Shiftry, yeah. I want the Drampa illustration rare.
Because devotion. Yep.
Bianca's Devotion, yeah.
Runicus. Boltund.
Ooh, look at that. A Relicanth. Nice pull, buddy. We'll get that one sleeved up for
And
sure.
then this artwork
A
is pretty
hollow
cool.
Maridon? Yeah, that is a sweet artwork for a hollow. Nice pull, buddy.
Yeah.
So we've got that Relicanth now. Very cool.
Go into the VIF.
The VIF, huh?
Yeah, very important fish.
The very important fish. It is a very important fish. I like that.
Yes.
All right. Cotney, Carvana, Ekans, Turtwig. I love Turtwig, the little turtle. Iron Valiant, Rescue Board, Riombi, Lickalily, Licky, Buddy Popfin. Ooh, look at that beautiful Gengar EX with the star pattern hollow all over it. Awesome pull. Second good pull there. Look at that. And a Psychic Energy. There's a code card for y'all. Very cool. Alright, what's your next pack, bud?
VIG section. So we got the VIF section and the VIG section.
The VIF and the VIG, huh? Alright.
Very important ghost and very important fish.
I like it. I like it. You know what we forgot to do? We forgot to get our pack opening grapes according to Real Breaking Date. Shout out to him. He said we needed to have some pack opening grapes to go along with this. We forgot to grab our pack opening grapes, but that's okay. We'll have those after as a snack. How's that sound?
Ooh. A Drampa.
Ooh, that's a cool Drampa. Not the one we want, but
Drampa, give us your alternate art. Find your true glory.
yeah, find the right one. Energy, yeah. Your Drampa was your rare. You did too many from the back, but that's okay. Keep going. You could have something in the reverse hollow spot.
Yeah.
Why don't we tip our cards up so everybody can see them?
Oh, yeah. Electabuzz. I'm not a big fan of this.
Bramlin? That's really weird. It looks like a tumbleweed, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Explorers, Grace, Ancient. Iron Hands, I like that.
Iron Hands is pretty cool, yeah. And a reverse hollow Metatite. And a reverse hollow Finzen. Nice.
Okay.
Alright. Let's see what we get. Drillbur. Relor. Ponyta. Chatot. Boxed order. Screamtail. He's funny. Sableye. Reverse hollow Palafin. Reverse hollow ancient booster energy capsule. And oh, that is such beautiful artwork there.
Woo!
Wow, that's an awesome Gengar. That is so cool. I might have to keep that one for my collection even. Most of these cards will be on sale on our website for as soon as release day, but that is a absolutely awesome pull. We've got the Gengar EX and the full art Gengar EX. We'll do a recap at the end, but we definitely need to sleeve all these up. Go ahead and open your next pack there, bud.
Okay. One from the back. And the four. Psychic Energy. Licky. Mega Tangy Tang.
Let's move them over here a little bit so we can see them, although we're
Yeah.
getting a bit of a glare from the sun. Keep going.
Okay. Charcoal. Groodle. Explorers Grace. Lattice. Ancient Energy Capsule.
Another tumbleweed.
Ooh.
Exadrill and oh, look at that! A Koraidon EX. Good job, dude. You're getting some awesome pulls today.
VID section.
Why is that one a D?
Very important dinosaur.
Oh, he's a dinosaur, you think so? Yeah, okay. I can see that.
Yeah, technically since he's an ancient.
Alright, Raichu. Look at that Raichu. It's going in my collection for sure. That's an awesome looking Raichu. Victini.
I start getting this one.
Bronzor. Mudbray. Eerie. Centiskorch. It looks like there's something back there, but it's so deceiving. Buddy Poppin. Victini. Reverse hollow. That's some really cool artwork there. I like that. Ooh, Zeraora. Look at that. I haven't seen him in a set in a while. Zeraora is such an awesome Pokemon. Doesn't get enough love. And see, that Melmetal was very deceiving.
Dark energy. See? Ooh. Refuge. Rosa. Cutiefly. Deeper. Morning's confection. Shifty. Please bring back your full light version. Your alternate art or whatever. Da-da-da. And Blamber gas version.
You're getting a lot of tumbleweeds there, dude.
Yeah. I don't know if we're in an old Western movie or what.
Yeah, maybe. That would make sense. But maybe that means just blowing all the dust away, giving us a chance to pull the good stuff, right?
Alright.
Alright. Ghastly. Finzen. Dunsparce. Snom. Ooh, look at that Iron Treads. That's some cool artwork too. Boxed Order. Riombi. Reverse Hollow Vikavolt. Reverse Hollow Unpheasant. And a Fluttermane Ancient Hollow. That's cool.
Yeah, a lot of cool artworks in this one.
Yeah. Haven't gotten a ton of ultra rare pulls, but a lot of cool artwork for sure.
I mean, we already got 4.
That's a
and
good
we got
point, yeah.
A lot more packs to go.
We do have a lot more packs to go.
Fighting energy. Piston. Bronzor. Mightyena. Delusion. Iron Treads. Buddy Poppin'. Lucarit. Rosala. Roscaba. And another Melmetal.
Well, a lot of hollow Melmetals. Alright, let's see here. Okay, here we go with the next pack. Poochyena, Wiglet, Meltan, Seedot, Hand Trimmer, Rabska. Oh, that's interesting. I don't know that one. Iron Jugulius. Ooh, there's a reverse hollow Toro Cat, Xana. Ooh, a Full Metal Lab and another Tumbleweed. Tumbleweed. A lot of tumbleweeds in this set, folks. A lot of tumbleweeds.
Tumbleweeds, oh tumbleweeds.
Alright.
Please go away, tumbleweeds. I think they're mad at us telling us it's not really that great of a Pokemon. I mean, I'm sorry.
You think-
Gas. Water energy.
So you think the Brambleghast is mad at us because we said the Tumbleweed's not a good Pokemon?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
So he's cursed us. Da. Future Iron Julius. Ooh. I revealed it. Neo.
Oh, there we go. Our-
Energy.
That's the first one we've pulled here. These are called Ace Spec Trainer cards. So we got Neo Upper Energy. So the difference with these Ace Spec Energies, there's 7 of them in the set, and you can only have one Ace Spec trainer, not energy, in your actual deck at a time. So out of all 7 of them, you can only have one in your deck at a time, and the The difference is most cards you can have up to 4 of the same card in your deck at all times. But with the ace spec, you're only allowed to have 1. And it's not just 1 of that type, it's 1 of all of them. Yeah, go ahead and put that up there. That's an ultra rare pull for us. Yeah.
VIT.
What else did we get in that one?
Nothing. Just Frostmaw, Fluttermane.
Got it. All right. Ready? Here we go. Up. Show's over. We can go home, folks. We have pulled the Pikachu from this set. That's what I needed to pull. So we're all set there. That one is sweet looking Pikachu. Alright, Scyther is a sweet card. Sizzlipede, Marill, Future Booster Energy, Iron Hands, Rescue Board, Reverse Hollow Raichu, Reverse Hollow Relicanth. Look at the artwork on that. How cool is that? Just awesome. And Iron Valiant Future. Doesn't even look like a hollow. It is, but it doesn't even look like a hollow. That's weird. Oh, kind of threw me for a loop for a second there.
The Fire Energy. Haunter. We got another one of the Pikachu.
Nice. Can't go wrong with that.
Ghastly. Algium. Delenti.
Delcatty, yeah.
Future Booster Energy Capsule. Iron Hands. Rumbly. Boostate.
Roserade, yeah.
Disparane.
Dunsparce, yeah.
Dunsparces are where, yeah.
He's like hibernating. Ooh, here we go. Totodile. P-Dove, or Pie-Dove, however you want to say it. Deerling. There's a sweet illustration rare Deerling in this set. Pineco. Full Metal Lab. Golurk. Shaman. Heavy Baton. Oh, look at that. Beautiful shot, however you want to say it. Wonderful illustration rare. Look at that. That is so cool. The artwork they've done on these illustration rares is amazing. And a Koraidon Hollow. So one thing I'll say, I haven't seen anybody in this set so far in the few that I've seen open it, is I haven't seen any actual double hits in the pack. So that's kind of weird. They kind of started with these 3 different spots being able to get double hits. So we'll have to see if we get any, but I haven't seen any double hits at all.
Maybe this won't be it.
I hope so.
Lightning.
Nice.
Carvnada. Ekans.
You know, Ekans is snake spelled backwards. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Fun fact.
Turtwig.
Turtwig. Poochyena. Platfin.
Halifin, yeah.
Halifin, yeah. Screamtail. Heavy Baton.
Yeah.
Yamper.
Oh,
Yes!
you pulled it! Nice, dude. That's the card you were hoping to pull. How cool is that? That's a beautiful looking card, too. Look at all the little guys around him. Are those like sea dots or something?
I think so.
Wow, that's cool. And an Iron Valiant. Wow, buddy. Very cool. Can't believe you pulled it. You called it. You said that was going to be a good pack. Nice, dude. All right, set it up there.
VVIT. Very, very important tree.
It's a tree, huh? Yep, that's true. Shift tree. Golett. Elgum, look at that artwork. Meltan. Nuzleaf. Sandy Shocks. Hand Trimmer. Rabska. Mudbray. Scyther. Ooh, Dunsparce. So I would say, good card for you, that the box so far has been fantastic to us with these pulls. I mean, absolutely. Some very cool illustration arts that we pulled. That full art Gengar. That's so cool.
Psychic Energy. Centipede, Merle, Golett, Dunsparce, Heavy Baton, Mist Energy, Sandy Socks, Puccina, and Meanwhile, and Fish.
Fish.
Yep. That's what he is. He's a fish.
That's true. He's a fish. I like fish. They have some very cool fish Pokemon. They have Mawile, Metadite, Turtonator, very cool artwork. Hoot Hoot, Forretress, Vikavolt, Latias. Ooh, I like that artwork. What that? Oh, nice! Hero's Cape, another one of those ace specs. We didn't read the last one, but this one is this Pokemon. The Pokemon this card is attached to gets 100 plus 100 HP. I don't know about you, but that might be my ace spec that I use in my deck. Holy smokes. Could you imagine like attaching that to one of your high EX cards or something? Wow, that would be cool.
Yeah, and Drake's deck where he's got the Mewtwo's, attach that to that.
Yeah, that'd be crazy. Now that's the expanded format. It wouldn't be the standard format. We play a lot of the expanded format here in our house, but standard format is changing in April to only be certain cards. So like it'll mostly include like EX cards, a couple of Vs I think still, but yeah. Could you imagine 100 extra HP on your Pokemon? That would be huge.
That would be.
While you're opening your pack, what's this other one here? This one says, as long as this card is attached to a Pokemon, it provides colorless energy. This card is attached to a Stage 2 Pokemon. This card provides every type of energy, but provides only 2 energy at a time. Wow, that's another good one.
Wah.
No wonder the ace spec cards are so only one in your deck.
Give me the rares. Get me to the rares.
Keldeo? Oh!
Woo!
Look at that. Walking Wake EX.
Woohoo!
Another good pull, buddy.
Yeah, it was one of the ones that I said I wanted as well.
Yeah.
But the full art version of it.
Yeah, the illustration rare of the Walking Wake. Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely. All right, let's see here. We've got
The VIM.
Minchino, Rockruff, Litten, Shroomish, Forretress, Full Metal Lab, Golurk, Elgigim, Arbok. You know what Arbok is spelled backwards? Uh-oh, we got some. We got some. Oh, Miraidon EX. Arbok spelled backwards is Cobra.
Oh.
Kind of funny, huh? Like, so they got Ekans as Snake and Arbok as Cobra. All right, open your next pack up, bud.
Water energy. Snoom, Mudbray, Minichino, Rockruff, Bayhem.
BM, yep.
Rapidash, Boltund, Sligma.
Tumbleweed.
Yeah. Iron Thorns, Future. Okay. Your turn, Daddy.
All right. Beldum. Heatmore. Roly-Coly. Azumarill. Great Tusk. Bronzong. Ancient Booster Capsule. Drillbur. Charcoal. And Roaring Moon, which is still a sweet card. Very cool. A lot of great artwork in this set. A lot of playable cards, too.
What do you mean playable?
Well, you can build a deck and play a lot of playable cards.
Okay, Dark Energy, Dwitwig, Pooter, Puccino, Pineco, and Meawly, Mist Energy, Starbuck, uh, Code Breaking, Shaman, Surefour, and can't remember his name.
Mag Cargo, buddy. That's alright. Alright. There we go. Let's take a look here at Lickitung, Charjabug, Slugma, Socialist, Shaman, Cypher Maniacs, Code Breaking, Vicavolt, Minchino, Pidove, and a Mag Cargo. Look at that. We have back-to-back Mag Cargos.
Yeah, and Code Breaking.
And Code Breaking, yeah.
In the exact same spot, actually. So.
Wow.
Pretty similar packs. There we go. Psychic Energy, Litten, Shroomish, Lickitung,
Slugma.
Slugma, Mistyle, Saffron,
Code Breaking.
yep, Code Breaking, Strawbuck, Colossal, and
Whoa!
Woo!
Gold?
oh!
No way, gold?
And then this guy, but wow!
That is so cool.
I like the artwork as well.
Gorging Fire. Wow. There's a couple of gold cards in this set, but yeah, wow. That's so cool. Man, you're getting all the good pulls, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Let's keep them going. What a great box so far, huh? All right. So we do have some more of these booster boxes available on our site. Pre-order still available through Friday, so at dxgamesllc.com. As well as we have individual booster packs if you want to try your luck there. And we do have Elite Trainer boxes as well. There's 2 different Elite Trainer boxes in this set. So 2 different promo cards to collect with that as well. So Grubbin, Metachamp, Tranquil, Iron Tread, Buddy Puffin, Zeraora, Sableye, Electabuzz, and Miraidon. Code card for y'all there. So all right. You got 4 packs left. I got 4 packs left as well.
Okay. Go. Ha! Fire Energy, Medicine, Tortoner, Hoot, Beldum, Bayhem, Ancient Booster Energy, Rapidash, Totodile, Chino, and Frogger.
Alligator.
Yeah. I'm butchering all these names.
That's okay. I do terrible with them too. But Skitty, Electabuzz, Bramblin, Girafarig, Greatusk, Salvatore, Bronzong, Grubbin, and Lickitung, and Tumbleweed. Silly Tumbleweed. Silly Tumbleweed. I'm a gardener, but I don't like tumbleweeds.
Lightning Energy, Solstress, Scyther, Skinky, Electabuzz, Polaris Jungle, Unpheasant, Colcereth, Electabuzz, and Iron Leaves EX.
Wow, nice, dude.
I can't even think of any more VIP names. But
Let me see what else we can get. You still got 2 more packs after this. So do I. So this is my third to last pack here. Mr. Mime, Raichu, Victini, Bronzor, Sharpedo, Metagross, Roserade, Beldum, Litten. Look at the fire in the reverse hollow. So cool. And, oh, look at that full art. Morty's Conviction. Look at that. Another great pull.
my,
Wow.
my gosh. We're getting too rich over here.
Too rich, huh? Too rich. Some great, great pulls. You picked a good box, buddy. We still haven't gotten that Drampa I wanted, but that would really seal the deal.
Da, 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 ba, da, da. One of the second 2 last packs. And we get nothing.
We still got some cool cards, though.
Yep.
Every pack is totally awesome. All right, here we go. Roselia, Cutiefly, Drillbur, Relor, Exadrill, Screamtail, Zeraora, Reverse Hollow Turtwig. Ooh, Reverse Hollow Pikachu, I'll take that. And Melmetal.
Last pack for me. Hoping for that Trampa. Metal Energy. Bubblen. Traffic. Rosela. Cutiefly. Pathwin. Eerie. Colossal. Iron Hands.
Oh, no way.
Oh! Oh, that's such a cool artwork as well,
And a Drampa, huh? Wow.
not the Drampa that we
Gouging
wanted, but
Fire EX.
Wow.
So you pulled the gold card of this guy and the illustration rare. Look at that, dude.
honestly, I'd rather the illustration rare.
You know, a lot of people are saying that. A lot of people aren't digging the gold cards anymore. And, you know, I kudos to Pokemon that have been trying to change them up a little bit, but the gold cards are kind of going out of style. All right,
Yeah.
last pack for me here, buddy. Let's see if we can end on a high note. Mudbray, Ghastly, Finzin, Dunsparce, Exadrill, Keldeo, Delmise, Reverse Hollow Drampa. Still really cool artwork on that. I really want that illustration.
So many Drampas are just mocking us right now.
It's true, it's true. Ooh, Cutiefly. And let's see, what's our final card gonna be? It is... Oh! Torterra EX. Another great pull. Way to finish. Look at that. Wow, what a royally awesome...
I'm gonna have to go on your guys' shop now and buy a bunch of packs and some cards. Make sure you guys do as well.
Yeah, you're gonna buy a bunch of packs and cards, so...
Yeah, I mean,
that's-
I'd like to buy these if they're up for sale.
You'd like to buy some of these ones?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, let's get them all together here, and we'll show them off to everybody.
Okay. This was the best.
Yeah, I mean that's a lot of pulls in there, isn't it?
Right.
All right. Let's see if we got it all in focus here. Here we go. There we are. Alright, we've got Gouging Fire EX, Torterra EX, Ace Spec Neo Upper Energy, Ace Spec Hero's Cape, Ace Spec, oh, wow, Morty's Conviction, Miraidon EX, Charat, that beautiful Gengar, another Gengar EX, Iron Leaves EX, Koraidon EX, Relicanth Illustration Rare, Gold Gorging Fire EX, Walking Wake EX, and Shiftry. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you guys so much for watching. As Xander mentioned, these cards as well as the sealed product are available on our website at dxgamesllc.com, or will be available. These cards will be available as of Friday, 3/22. If you guys are local here in Michigan, we are actually doing a show. You can check out our events page at dxgamesllc.com. Scroll down to the bottom, click on events, and see where we're going to be each month. We do actually do in-person vendor shows, so you can come check us out, look through our binder of different cards that we have available for sale, as well as buy some sealed product. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we hope you guys have a wonderful day.
Yeah. Bye-bye.